Are you ready to revolutionize your online business? Let's dive into ClickFunnels 2.0. This powerful tool makes building sales funnels effortless. Many entrepreneurs struggle with creating effective sales funnels. Often they feel overwhelmed and don't know where to start. ClickFunnels 2.0 simplifies this process with its intuitive funnel builder. First, let's explore how to access the funnel builder. Log into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. On the dashboard, click Funnel to begin. This is where your journey starts. Next, choose a funnel type. You can select from options like lead generation, sales, and membership. Each is designed for specific goals. This choice sets the stage for your funnel's purpose. Once you select your funnel type, ClickFunnels 2.0 offers pre-built templates. These templates are customizable. Pick one that aligns with your brand and goals. This saves time and ensures you start with a strong foundation. Now let's talk about the editing features. Click on the elements within your funnel. You can easily modify text, images, and videos. Simply drag and drop elements to rearrange. It's that simple. After editing, focus on the integrations. Connect your email automation and payment processes. This step ensures seamless communication with your customers. Once everything looks great, it's time for testing. Preview your funnel to see how users experience it. Make adjustments based on your findings. Testing is crucial for maximizing conversions. To illustrate, suppose you're selling an online course. Start with a lead generation funnel. Offer a free ebook in exchange for emails. Capture leads and nurture them through targeted emails. In summary, ClickFunnels 2.0 streamlines funnel building. You access the funnel builder, choose a type, select a template, edit, integrate, and test. Ready to elevate your online business? Start using ClickFunnels 2.0 today. Don't let complicated setups hold you back. Grab your free trial now. Let's transform your funnels and boost your sales.